How to shop on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll simply guide you on how you can shop on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now if you'd like to shop on Instagram, then all you have to do is simply first of all go ahead and then basically launch the Instagram application here, as you will be able to find it. Once you launch the Instagram app, now let's say you want to shop. Now normally some pages do not have eligible for a shop, that's why they just sell it offline like this, but some pages might be eligible for a shop. In that case, what you can do is just tap the search box at the very top and just search for a page that has a shop. Now once you do that, right over here when you go to the page, you'll most likely find this option known as view shop. Then you can just go ahead and then basically tap on the view shop option that you would be able to find it in that case. So let me also just go ahead and do that, and here just tap the view shop option, and once you tap on view shop, you'll be able to see all of the products that this page or this shop has posted. All you have to do is just go to a specific product that you want to go ahead and purchase, and now you can choose to view from their website, or you can directly send them a DM of the screenshot that let's say that you want to purchase this product over here, and then you'll be able to go ahead and then order them respectively. This way you can shop on Instagram. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.